What's up, everybody? I'm going to do an unboxing and an overview of the Shelby 8-inch subwoofer upgrade for the 05 to 2010 Mustang, the S197, the early S197 for the Shaker 500 door speakers, the door woofer replacement made by Kicker and Shelby. The main reason I'm going to do this unboxing is I'm actually going to show you guys what ohmage and what watt rating these Kicker woofers are, because I'm not real sure what Kicker woofers this includes in the kit, and I've looked and I have not been able to find any information on what woofer is in the Shelby kit. In case you do not want to use the factory amplifiers, or you buy the Kicker upgrade amp, so in case you guys want to source your own amp, like is what I'm doing, I went ahead and bought the speakers so I can figure out what ohmage they are and what watt rating they are, so I can choose my amp accordingly. Which I don't even think you can get the I think they're the comp CVs, I believe. 8-inch. I don't think Kicker even makes 8-inch CVs anymore, so I don't know how long Shelby's going to produce this. Maybe they're their own speaker. We'll find that out too. I don't know. Maybe they are Shelby Kicker specific Shelby speakers. I don't know, but we'll go ahead and open them up here. Got my trusty snap-on razor knife. Go ahead and open it up here. Went ahead and blocked off all my information. Go ahead and try not to cut my fingers off here with this knife. Oh yay, packing peanuts. I love packing peanuts. Well, I see a black box. Not a black box, but a brown box. Not black. It's far from black. Oh yes, I love packing peanuts. Here's one woofer, I'm guessing. Go ahead and get that out of the way. Got packing peanuts running in there. God, I love packing peanuts. Another box down here at the bottom. Much lighter. These must be the grills and hardware. Packing peanuts everywhere. God, packing peanuts are awesome. Not really any paperwork or anything. Maybe it's on this side. Nope. So I'm guessing this is another woofer. Sorry about the poor lighting here. This box, inside this box is dark, and I'm standing right over my light too. So awesome. More packing peanuts I get to dispose of. Apparently a piece of grass followed in with it. But yeah, figuring this has got to be the woofer, so this might be a Kicker specific custom order speaker, the way things look here. Go ahead and open them up. Hope they give the rating. I'll have to just go by guess and oh my god, horrible. There we go. I'll do it focus. Left-handed doing this right-handed. Fun. There, we're gonna open this. Ooh, I see it. I also see more packing peanuts. God, I love them. But yeah. Well, there they are. There's one Kicker woofer. Really can't see it very well. Go ahead and get out of the lighting here. But yeah, there it is. It is a comp. This is got to be a Kicker specific vehicle, I would guess, because normally they don't have these pieces that stick off like that. Let's open it. It is a black surround. It's a CVT, and it is a what? It is custom. That is a Shelby Kicker speaker. That is a vehicle specific, so this literally doesn't give me much of any information. Great, but it is a single voice coil. So yeah, we'll have to do a little more research and maybe find out what ohm they are. Cool. It even has the back piece for the... It's horrible, black on black, but let me go ahead and compare it down here to my orange rug. Really not even that great of a difference. There's not a lot of flex, so hopefully these things will free up a little bit after they get some playtime. I'm sure they will. That's one. I'm not going to show you the other woofer because obviously it looks the same, but I will show you the we'll go ahead and show you the grills here. Of course, it's a kicker speaker. It's heavy, very, very heavy. I think it should sound pretty good. I just really would like to find out what rating they are. I'll have to look at the Shelby amp and see what they say. Anyways, we have some instructions on how to remove your door panel. Maybe if I read through here, it'll show you, or give me some information on what it is. We got a gasket, which is quite nice. Quite nice for them to include a gasket. That's awesome. We got some awesome air bags. And then we have these custom Shelby speaker grills with some kind of spacer ring or something in there. Not sure. I guess that's a spacer ring? I guess. But yeah, look pretty cool. I think they'll do nicely. My rings, the paint is kind of scarred up on it a bit, so those will be real nice to cover and fix that. But yeah, that's what your kit includes. You get a nice gasket and CVT 8-inch woofer. That is, I'm gonna guess Shelby specific because it's got a Shelby part number on it and has a barcode. This really doesn't look like many kickers. It looks like a kicker CVT, but it has a custom surround. Well, not custom surround, but a custom mount, and it's missing the fancy rubber piece that covers up the magnet that most kicker woofers come with, which is fine by me. You don't see that anyways in this situation, so yeah, it seems to be a good product. It's kicker, so you should be able to trust it. I'm gonna guess they're probably 150 watts RMS, if I have to guess, because I'm about guaranteeing they're CTV or CVT 8-inch. I bet you that's the same thing as a regular black CVT 8-inch. And it does come with a nice gasket. That's pretty awesome. And of course, it comes with the grills. They say Shelby on them too, so that's pretty nice too. So, yeah, cool. Thanks for watching, guys. Sorry, I can't really figure out what RMS the speakers are, but if I do some research, which I'm going to, and I'll add on to this clip, and try to figure that out for you, do some more digging, especially on the Shelby amp, the kicker upgrade amp, and take a peek and see what the upgrade is. See what the amp is putting out for wattage, and we'll go from there. Or maybe I can cross-reference some of these numbers on these woofers. So, yeah. At least it's nice to come with good instructions. So, too bad they're not colored photos, but that'll be alright. So, yeah. We will catch you guys in the next video. Hopefully, get some of these things installed, get enough some of the stuff. Gotta get some more stuff. Gotta get a wiring harness and some wire and stuff. Get the radio and stuff. We'll probably do another video on that. It's just a Pioneer AVH 1300X. And yeah, so we'll catch you guys in the next video. And I'll add on the footage of what I found out. So, catch you in a second. As you guys can see, it's resting about at 2 ohms. So this is a 2 ohm woofer. So they're both 2 ohms. That makes a little disappointment for me because I was hoping they were 4 ohms, but they're 2 ohms. You can see right there. But yeah, now I have to change up my amp that I want to use, so I gotta go back and take a peek and see what I can use. So yeah, they're about a 200 watts RMS woofer at 2 ohms. So that's the information that I wanted to get to you guys, and you guys can see it's floating around 2.2, 2.3, 2.1, but it's 2 ohm woofer. So we'll catch you guys in the next video. Yeah, so have a good day or night.